So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
If Techno's chat is voices
4,
in his
isn't it?
head, I picture this chat as a flock of
Yeah, it's
crows
4.
that only you can understand. It gives me serotonin to picture an immortal wanderer cussing out a horde of feral birds that follow him around. 3 months bog, first 3 of many.
That's a good way of putting it, actually. That's pretty funny. It's like, f waving my hand around. Talk to Tommy! Re-see my streamer, It's like throw some bread. It's like a canonical way of like me throwing lore crumbs to get you guys to like stop. I throw you breadcrumbs and then run for the house. Alright, 1, 2, 3. And then 4. There we go. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3. And 4. The lava is very close, Jesus Christ.